my name in the game, motherfuckers know I ain't a cheap duck gimmick. See, I do it for the bank and I do it for the dank, not the slang on a beat up civic. What it costs to understand I'm a boss and a beast when it comes to the goddamn methods. There will come a time when you run your mind to the point when you say, goddamn F it. From a run I learned to never front, because even family ain't good with the payback. Yet I still gave it out and I didn't save a thing, played loose with only memories to play back. I've grown up and I ain't a charity, I apologize, y'all can't come where I stay at. Some of y'all stuck focused on dumb shit, and it's never gonna get you a Maybach. Hitting on when another one's done, could've put the energy toward getting them some, yet they don't, so they broke. Gotta hate that I smoke, I'm the best damn dabs to the fucking West Coast. Real shit, I don't lie, but to them what am I? Shitty rapper, shitty hacker, shake it off and then I ride. Take a left on the sunset, $1,000,001 check, going to the moon, we ain't even done yet. Goddamn right, the life I lead, played it true, I kept it real, I held my G. The life I lead, what is that I mean? I stayed true to myself, I always followed my dream. The life I lead, the life I lead, played it true, I kept it real, I held my G. The life I lead, what is that I mean? I stayed true to myself, I always followed my dream. I'm back with the fix and I'm back in the mix, cause a whole bunch of people wanna act like a bitch, while the dad with the click always stacking the crib. And I'm only dropping motherfucking facts on the tick. Been around on the net, been around on the streets, to know whatever that is found they would keep. Ain't down with the breach, got enough damn money on a private key to just go lounge on a beach. Nerve life to the death, recite what I rep, and you know that what I'm pulling on the pipe is the best. I'm the type to invest every move I assess, show respect instead of picking fights with the vets. See the life I live, a nice ass crib, result of all the sleepless nights I did. Most of what you see is what the bright side is. I've sacrificed more than I'd like to admit. The fact is, I'm not doing backflips for my rap shit to ever reach the masses. The past, it's like I was in gymnastics, and you think I'd be able to teach classes. Could be finding a method to spam adage. I'm a rabbit seeking some damn cabbage. No sleep, that's because I ran practice, so I never been labeled a damn average. The life I lead, played it true, I kept it real, I held my G. The life I lead, what is that I mean? I stayed true to myself, I always followed my dream. The life I lead, the life I lead, played it true, I kept it real, I held my G. The life I lead, what is that I mean? I stayed true to myself, I always followed my dream. The life I lead, the life I lead.
I circle the planet, no orbit.